be quiet.
No.
Start it when it's all silent.
Just go. Just do it. Abby, either do it or don't.